Everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Holmby. It's an old Holmby railway. Let's see. It's from Rouse, Sheffield. King John. It's been renamed and renumbered. The original name was King Henry VIII. It's not in the box, so I'm gonna take something out of the box. Service manual just to show you, because it's behind me right now on the track and it's a beautiful logo. I think this might be an old 80s logo. I do not know, please correct me in the comments. You can see there's nothing in there. What I'm really happy about is this engine from Rouse, Sheffield. The details pack, I always put the details on. Right now it's actually got my QB train out. You can see it's not there. Coaches. Right, let's stand up. My spinny chair. Locomotive. This is quite old and it smells quite old too. Well, there's pretty far release in. I do not know if this was released in 1980s. I know there's a loco as well. Information about lubricating, and then this one's got a Ringfield motor in, so it is tender drive. There's the stuff. It's quite good. Stuff about them and all that. So I'm gonna put this away and then let's get the loco out and running. Right, there she is. Actually kind of looks like the one behind it. That's a castle class. This one's a bit bigger. Obviously the size difference are quite nice, so I'm shaking a bit. Meanwhile, you can see the little men in there. They aren't painted, that's how they came. Then you got the pipes on the bottom. It's in really good condition, and this was about £51 with including postage. So it's quite good. You can see the renamed and the new number plate on there. But yeah, it's from Rouse, Sheffield, their eBay store. It's quite good, but right. Because as I said, it is a tender loco, tender drive, so the wheel's still on point sometimes, but it does go quite nicely and slow. We'll get her going a bit more faster. See, right now it's got the QB train on, so it's obviously just got stuck on it. Yeah. That's rubbing is the wheel when you put some oil on it. Oh man, why you gotta be so rude? Go then. Yeah, it does not like some of the radiuses for some reason. See? Oh, stop falling off. Yeah, I need to check that bit won't work. However. So for one day that IVAC class is not out. Oh, come on. Yeah, for one day the IVAC class isn't out. It'll probably be out tomorrow or later on the second line. Right, let's stop the King class then. So the condition is quite nice for an 80s loco. So its real name was King Henry VIII, so it's quite good. Got the lamp iron on the back and all the lamp holders. Well, quite good. It's not sprung buffer. They're just plastic ones. Is the really bad condition coach. That one isn't that bad condition. But that one is. And there's a rear Kellogg's van I made. I kind of got inspired by Great Western 5199. Go and follow him or subscribe to him. I kind of copied. He did an idea of, he had one of them and he painted it red and turned it into a gunpowder wagon from the Western Middlesex Railway. I didn't have red or anything like that, so I just decided to turn it into like a little different coloured box car. It's got like little stickers on for, let's say it's the generator for the QB train. The QB train usually is right there in that line, but yeah, I did try running it with those coaches, but the rear coach, its rear wheels are really buggered and bad, so I didn't even, well, I did try, it didn't move, so I put it back. It's the IVAC class, and it's only BR, but hey ho. So let's just do this one more time for a goodbye shot. Hope everybody has a nice day, and bye bye.